Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here, and I have received the Cellnergy Wellness device. And I'm going to open this up, but I just want to show you. It comes in a very secure cardboard box. When we got home from church yesterday, it was there on our doorstep. So this is from lifefarm.com. You can see right here, and you would need my username, which is Daniel, to do any orders with lifefarm.com. And farm is spelled Pharm. Okay, and Life Farm is a California company that started in 2011 with this incredible Lemonine product. And you can research that on their website, okay? And every person that has an account with lifefarm.com has a replicated website where they can share these products with their friends. So this Cellnergy Wellness is incredible technology. Experience a new wave to feel your best. So I just want to show you that inside this sturdy box, your Cellnergy from Life Farm, it comes in a other cardboard box there, and then it's sealed up in here. And I'm going to go ahead and read the disclaimer that's on this box. This product is used for self-education and research purposes to support homeostasis. It is not intended to treat disease or to prevent impairment of human health. When used according to directions, it does not present any potential risk of illness or injury. And I want to give a disclaimer. I am a marketing business. I am not a licensed medical professional. Okay, so you see right there that it's sealed up from the factory, and the manufacturing is done in China. China had a young scientist, brilliant. He discovered the way to harness terahertz wave therapy. So this is manufactured in China. So this is the 110 volt that most of North America and Central America uses the 110. So experience a new wave to feel your best. Thank you for choosing Cellnergy Wellness. Now these devices, you can get them just about everywhere in the world from Life Farm. The cost is $350 US in the USA, and I'm just gonna open it up here. It's 339 euros in Europe. Okay, any Life Farm product that you order over $150 has free shipping. Now the Cellnergy Wellness device, if you live in a state that charges tax on goods, you will have to pay that on your order. You have three settings here. You have 0, 1, 2, and 3. And I will go over those in a presentation about how to use it. But this is just an introduction. Cellnergy Wellness has terahertz wave created inside this chamber, and it also has red light therapy. So this red light therapy, and another disclaimer, I'm not a engineer that has any idea how they were able to do this and harness this, but I have a video at redlightdevice.net from an engineer that explains why the red light therapy is so important and what it can do to help cell health. So once again, I'm not a doctor. I'm only a marketing professional that has had success through God's grace developing wellness programs and helping people improve their wellness. So you can contact me on the form at redlightdevice.net. I have a contact form there. They're available for pre-order right now for customers only. So if you want to get one, it's first come, first serve, and they are shipped from our California warehouse with Life Farm. I'm an affiliate for Life Farm. And if you want the business, then you need to call me because I can get the device shipped to you sooner. And that phone number, Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. And this is Daniel Parsons. I'm also available on Telegram with that name, Daniel Parsons. And that way you can call me from Europe or other parts of the world, United Kingdom, Australia, Philippines, other places. And one other thing, I have no time to talk to you about your deal or your program or your crypto investments. So please, only talk to me if you're interested in this product, because I get hit with requests from hundreds of people and it distracts me from doing what I'm trying to do, which is to help people get better. Thank you.